Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how to reset your BMO Bank online banking password. If you've forgotten your password for BMO online banking, you can reset it online. First, go to the BMO website and click on the Forgot Your Password link on the sign-in page. You'll need to have your debit card handy, as you'll be asked to enter the 16-digit card number. If you don't have a debit card, you can call BMO's customer service for assistance. After you've entered your debit card number, you will be prompted to answer one of your security questions. You'll have 3 attempts to answer correctly. Once you've successfully answered a security question, a temporary password will be sent to the email address on file with BMO. You have 4 hours to use this temporary password to sign in. After you sign in with the temporary password, you'll be prompted to create a new, permanent password. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.